जतन हामबाय जों लाइक थांनाय क्लासनि परेनि थेके जे हिस्ट्री आलोचना खायनाय नायतोंदि कुलियान थेके पाठक जरा आनि साप्राबे रंनो बिलाय बिलाय के हामबाय बिजारनो ते जरा साप्राबे ताकन खायको ब्रना रिक्वेस्ट करना साप्राबे दी बेल आइकन क्लिक करी ते जॉब पर फ्रेंड नो शेयर कर तांगन का ऑफ प्लेटफॉर्म को सुगत लांग थना बगे नरक जॉब को जाय देखै चाक्टारदि एरप्रे आं स्टेप नावाना जे जिनि साक्सेस नि बगे যখন ইউজার যখন সাবস্ক্রাইবার তখন गोबां थाङो आं एकेर पर एक स्टाफ नाहाना बागै इनभेस्ट खायनायनि बागै आं उंबाय थाङानो निनि खायसे क्लिक बाय যখন गेलेर गेलेर साबस्क्राइबार थाङानो आफ्रो आनि इनभेस्ट खायनायनि बागै जे अनेक सुजुग फायनो आफ्रो जों मा प्लेटफर्म न सुजुगत लांग थांनानि बागै ऑटोमेटिकली सुजुगत लांग थांमोन जेमन लॉर्ड सेंफोर्ड फायख्या सिगाङाव जों लॉर्ड हारिं जरा नायख्या लॉर्ड सेंफोर्ड 1916 থেকে 21 जरा तंनाय लॉर्ड सेंफोर्ड August Declaration आसामै नोंखा 1917 August Declaration whereby control over the Indian government would be gradually transferred to the Indian people or by the government. The Government of Indian Act 1919 Montego Census Reform was passed 1990 Montego Census Reform passing thanga Rawla Act 1919 Jalanbag Messrs April 13 1999 Sengman Santaga Nine Rawla Act 1919 Jalanbag Messrs ka April 13 1999 Non-cooperation movement at time Banoka sorry an Indian Sir S. P. Sinha was appointed the governor of Bengal. Women University was founded in Pune in 1916. 1961, Women University founded in Ghana. Settler Commission was appointed in 1917 to embrace a new education policy. New education policy is 1917. The Settler Commission black important. Tini अबाके जों परीक्षा का जेकुनु कम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम जों सक्सेस फैनाय नायदोंदि लॉर्ड रीडिंग फायजाबा sorry 1921 থেকে 1926 Rawla Act 1919 was replaced along with the press in 1910 Prince of Wales visited India in November 1921 formation of Swaraj Party forming Vishabharati University started functioning in 1922. Communist Party was founded in 1921 by M.N. Roy. M.N. Roy by Communist Party founding thanga. Kakori train robbery on August 9, 1925. August 9, 1929 Kakori train robbery in Communal Riot 1923-25 is Multan, Amritsar, Delhi, Abra. Swami Sadananda and great nationalist and a leader of the Arya Samaj was murdered in the communal organ. Unprecedented Lord Arvind 1926 to 1931. Simon Commission visit India 1928. Simon Commission Pakya. Congress passed in Indian Revolution in 1929. Then March 12, 1930. Then March Civil Development Movement 1930. First Round Table Conference held England 1930. First Round Table Conference. Gandhi Aryan Pact March 5, 1931. Signed and Civil Development Movement was withdrawn. Martyrdom of Jotindas after 64 days. Hunger strike. Lord Olengu, 1931 to 1936. Second Round Table Conference in London, 1931. On this return, Gandhiji was arrested to civil development movement was around January 1932.